thought you were gonna mute this. I'm gonna look you lip balm. I don't care. It really has millions of followers. It really has millions of likes, and it's posted 1 hour ago.
Who?
Timothy Chalamet.
What about?
He's an actor. Oh my god, he almost has 2 million likes, but he posted a picture an hour ago.
Are they making movies?
Uh-huh.
I thought Timothy Chalamet was meant to be.
Ooh.
No, he was not. He's too good for that. Why are you wearing your mask?
Probably COVID-19 in the car. Or I farted.
Remember when I saw your dolls and then I was like, social distancing.
So it's close. We can't go there.
Oh my god, the iPhone 12 is $700.
He's literally cool.
Actually, I think I want a phone next year for my birthday.
He's vlogging.
Either. Oh! How many inches? What do you want? Oh my god. What is that? I'm editing that out. I'm editing that out. Inch display.
Say something.
It's called inch display.
Hello, this is awkward.
You say something.
We're at the beach. It's not that pretty. There's no sand.
You can't go out. We can't go out right now.
We're at the beach. It's closed, so we can't go there. So we can only watch here. Lots of people have boats and they drive their boats here or they fish. That's probably why there's no sand.
Sorry, my AirPod like almost fell.
It's raining, so I guess the waves, I don't know. But I saw geese in the water.
Good thing you didn't say gooses.
Jane?
What looks like one?
No.
Then what is it, a pigeon? We don't live in Queens anymore, Daddy. There's no pigeons here. But there's houses over there, and I think there's an actual sand across. Waves are kind of rough because it's raining, but the park is closed. So we can't sit down there. We can't anyways.
Yeah, the beach is right there.
Yeah, there's
It's right there,
There's
right
a beach
there.
across, but that actually has sand. I think over here you're supposed to go fishing. So yeah.
Fishing and crabbing.
So
As you can do here. And, you know,
and there's some houses over there. I don't really like beaches where there's no sand.
of course.
I like it when you can actually swim and make sandcastles and there's a park. And we're just sitting in the car because we can't go out anyways. I guess. And the park is closed, so lots of people are here and they're just sitting in their cars so we can watch this. Yeah, so we just sit here, just watch the sea. There's a couple of boats. We can't really see them though, but people drive their boats. Are we allowed to be here?
What are you doing?